come in. Please sit. Good morning. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rosara Awia from the Human Resource Development team at Telkom Indonesia. I'll be conducting your interview today. We really appreciate your presence in the section. We'd like to get to know you better, both technical and personally. Let's start with a brief introduction. Could you tell people about yourself?
Sure, thank you, Ms. Rosara. My name is Ajeng Tapiani, a graduate of the Applied Bachelor Program in Software Engineering Technology from Politeknik Manufaktur Negeri Bangka Belitung. During my studies, I focus on development, database management, and gain some experience in cybersecurity. I did an internship at the Regional Development Agency, Bapeda, where I developed a web-based competition management system.
That sounds very interesting, Ajeng. You've already had hands-on experience building a system for a government agency. Could you explain a bit more about what kind of system you development?
Yes, Ms. Rosaura, at Bapeda, I built a web-based innovation competition management system that handle online registration, documents upload, and evaluation by judges. I used Laravel and the framework and MySQL at the database. The biggest challenge was translating their manual process into a digital solution that was easy for non-technical users. I worked closely with their staff to ensure the features met their needs and improve efficiency.
That's a really relevant experience, especially for us at Telkom. We often collaborate with public institutions and usability is crucial. It's great to hear that you not only coded the system but also engage with user. That's a skill we truly value here. So, what makes you interested in joining Telkom Indonesia, especially in the IT division?
I see Telkom as a national leader in digital transformation. It's not just a telecommunication company, it's driving change in how Indonesians connect and access technology. I want to contribute to that mission by developing impactful digital system. I'm also drawn to Telkom's internal culture, the agile environment, digital innovation labs, and professional development opportunity.
That's a strong answer, Ajeng. Indeed, Telkom is evolving into a full digital tel company. We're expanding not only in infrastructure, but also in digital platform, data solution, and cybersecurity. That's why we need people like you, adaptive, collaborative, and eager to grow. Now let's talk about teamwork. How do you usually handle working in a group? Have you ever experienced a clash of idea, and how did you deal with it?
Yes, I'm appreciating that during my final year project. I work in a team of 4. We have different opinions about the system, architecture, and interface design. I suggested regular meeting and open discussion so everyone could present their idea. In the end, we agreed to decide based on user need and functionality. I believe communication and shared goals are the keys to resolving conflict.
I completely agree. In the workplace, it's natural for different perspectives to emerge. What matters is how we manage them. It's good to know that you're not only technical capable but also emotionally intelligent and communicative. Now, let's say you're given a project with a very tight deadline. How do you handle that kind of pressure?
I'll always start by breaking down the tasks and setting daily goals. I use tools like Trello or Notion to stay organized. I practice based on urgency and I avoid multitasking too much. If needed, I don't mean working extra hours to meet the deadline, and if I face a major obstacle, I'm not afraid to ask for help or clarify things with my team leader.
That's very responsible approach. At Telkom, we encourage smart work and time management. We don't expect people to work endlessly, but we do experience and accountability. By the way, are you open to being assigned anywhere in Indonesia? Some of our teams are based offsite of Java in rural area.
Yes, I am completely open to relocation. I see it as valuable learning opportunity. Working new every woman help me grow both professionally and personally. I would love to contribute wherever the company needs most.
That's excellent. Flexibility is indeed one of our top consideration when hiring. We really appreciate your openness. Now, before we end, do you have any question for me or about Telkom?
Yes, I like to ask about the onboarding process. Will there be training or mentoring for new employees in the IT division?
Absolutely. We have a structured onboarding program that includes an introduction to our company culture, tools, and internal system. You will also be assigned a mentor from your department to guide you through your first few months. In addition, we offer certification and going training opportunity both internally and externally.
Thank you so much for the explanation, Ms. Rosaura. That sounded really exciting and reassuring.
You're very welcome, Ajahn. Thank you for your time today and for answering so well. We'll inform you of the selection result via email within the next 2 weeks. Good luck, and I hope to you see again as part of the Telkom team.
Thank you again, Ms. Rosaura. Have a great day.